Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. The world is moving at such a rapid pace that it can be hard to keep up with all the exciting development in the world. We live in one of the most exciting times in human history. Every day we wake up there is a new technological marvel to appreciate in the news. Let us briefly go over the top 5 up and coming tech companies that we believe everyone should know about. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1. Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is an interesting company. Much like SpaceX, it is a private space company, but unlike SpaceX, it is targeting a totally different customer base. Rocket Lab specializes in small satellite launches. What that means is that companies that need to launch their small satellite usually had to wait for big launches to hitch a ride with them, since a small company could not alone cover the cost of a launch. This is a segment that Rocket Lab is targeting. A cheap and cost-effective rocket called Electron was the first launch vehicle. Each of their launch cost less than $5 million. Compare this target to rocket launches that can cost up to $60 million. The Electron can deliver almost 100 kg into Earth, perfect for company looking to get their satellite up and running for cheap. They do not also have to depend upon their big launches and can launch on their own schedule. Number 2. Starlink. This telecommunication company is a brainchild of Elon Musk and it aims to revolutionize how the internet and connectivity of the future will work. Starlink aims to deploy constellation of satellite in low Earth orbit to provide high speed of internet to people anywhere in the world. It sounds ambitious, but Starlink has already deployed hundreds of satellites, and users that got early access to Starlink dish have been reporting speed of up to 150 MBs per second while being in the middle of nowhere. Once fully deployed, Starlink would become the largest telecom provider in the world. Nothing can remotely beat this, since conventional broadband needs a network of fiber optic cables and other wireless solutions require you to be near a cell tower. Number 3. Gravity Industry. You know about those personal jet suits that young kids and adults have been promised for decades. Well, the gravity industry might be on the cusp of making those personal jet suits a reality. Gravity Industry is a British technology and aerospace company that is making working personal jet suit. The suit consists of two mini jets attached to your arm that is used to control and navigate as you fly through the air at high speed. The Gravity Industries Mk.2 jet suit costs approximately $440,000, so it is not going to be as common as a Segway at your local mall, but maybe in a few years a personal jet suit might be something an average Joe can afford. Number 4. Climeworks. In the world of technology, companies fighting against the climate change, one name keeps popping up, that is Climeworks. Climeworks is a Swiss company that specializes in direct air carbon dioxide capture technology. So what is direct air carbon capture? Well, one of the main reasons for exponential global warming is too much carbon dioxide being released into the air. This carbon dioxide then traps the heat inside Earth's atmosphere. What if there is a way to mine or capture this carbon dioxide from the air then put into the ground? This is very watered down explanation of what engineers at Climeworks are doing. They are using renewable energy to power these modular collectors that can be stacked into machine of any size and capture carbon from the air. Number 5. Sono Motors. We cannot even begin to imagine talking about ingenuity and engineering without talking about Germany, and Sono Motor deliver on the promise of excellent German engineering. The Sion has hundreds of cells integrated into the body of the vehicle itself. According to details published on company's website, the 248 solar cells that have been integrated into the body of the car can add on average 112 km to the range of the vehicle each week. And these specs are not just impressing investors. Over 13,000 people have already booked their Sion. Sono Motor plan to release the first batch of the vehicles in 2023.